See, now my dumb ass is done reached my sign. Continuous struggle. Yeah. I decided to try to do the whole trail. I was just gonna go back up to the truck. Now my ass is done hopping too far. Oh, it's gonna be a long way back. Ooh! Man, spider webs. Ah!